Yes, students and working accountants, welcome to my Smart Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Baburao from Hyderabad. Okay, and in the last two videos, we discussed about the security for the data. So how to provide security for the data in our Tally Prime. That is release 4.0. So there are two types of security control. One is providing the tally word password. If we provide the tally word password, our data will be encrypted, name will not be visible, the name will be shown as the stars, number only will be available, the period also will not be available. That is one security. And another security is the name will be visible, everything is visible. But if any other user, if they open, they access the data, they make some changes, something will happen. That is why we are to control the access by others. That is called control user access. Any other user accessing the data is controlled. For that we provide username and password. This is the second one. How to create, how to set, how to alter or change, how to remove. All this we learned in the last two videos. And in the first one, tally word, we learned that if you forget the tally word password, the data will be inaccessible. That is, it is permanently lost. The data is permanently lost. We cannot access the data at all. The company will not open. That's why we must be careful. We have to be careful. We have to note down everything: number, name, password, everything. So if you forget, it is permanently lost. In the second case also, if you forget in the case of control user access also, if you forget either password or username, anything or both, if you forget, that also it is showing it will show the error, it will show the message. That is, if you forget the password or username, it is showing only password, but username also. If you forget either, in that case also, your data will become inaccessible. So you cannot access your data. So data will be lost. This is the thing. But there is one method, because many people don't know about this. Some people know about this. That is why many people will not teach about this. Okay. That is, by using a separate method, we can recover the data. That is, we can open the company for which we'll forget the password. So that will open again. But when you open that, so we lost the password or username forgot. So without username and password, it will open. We will open that, and later if you want, you can continue without password, or you can again, we can set the username and password also. So there is the method. So that is what we are going to discuss. So I am going to share the screen. See here. So this is the thing. So here, how to recover the company data if security control username and or username or password is forgotten. If you forget this, how to recover this. I am giving the video numbers also. And before these previous two videos, there was one video already done. It is also a very important, biggest mistake done by accountants when making the sales invoice or sales invoice means sales voucher. When entering the transaction, sales transaction, that time, sales voucher, one big mistake is done by the accountants. But we don't know that it is a mistake. So in the voucher, it will not show any error. But in the tally frame, in the GST reports, the report will not show correctly. So it will not show uncertain transaction, but in the columns, it will not show in the correct column. That's what we discussed in this. That is number is 142. The video number is 142 for the security control. So you discuss that also, and then these two, security control 141. Now we are discussing this recovering the company data. Security control username or password is lost. So I'm going to tell it. See here, we have a lot of companies in that. So there is all these don't have any passwords. So last one is security control. So in this security, total tally security. In that tally security, the number is, remember, mostly the number of the ID numbers of the companies is very, very important. If you remember that company number will be very easy for us. We have to remember the numbers very carefully. So here, Tally Security, that is the company, the number is 1 lakh 1. That is 1401. Total 6 digits for the Tally Prime 3 onwards. Okay. So this is the thing. So we give the password for this. Just I'll check up. So if you enter that, it is asking username. So the username is admin. So if you do all capital letters, all do all capital letters, all small letters, everything is no problem. Okay, admin, and the password is 1234. So here, so it is accessing. So now again I'm closing this. So again you see now here again I will give capital letters. Admin 1234. So it's also accessing. No problem. So capital letters are not possible. So now here when you are accessing, we forgot the username. So it is given admin, isn't it? But we forgot. We forgot the name. What is the name? Username in here. We forgot. So we may forget that also. If it is correct, when I given the password, the correct password is 1234 now. We forgot that. So I am giving some different password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not accepting. 1, 2, 3. It's not action. Double 1. Double 1, double 2. It's not accessing. Like that. Or I'm giving Tally. So this is also not accepting. So the username, suppose the username is Tally. Actually, username is admin. I am giving Tally. So I am giving the password correctly, but still it is not accepting. So either the username or the password, if you forget and if you give a different username or password, in such a case, we cannot access the company, will not open. Accessing the data means opening the company. If the company is open, we can access the data. So we cannot access the data or we cannot open the company. Now what we do? Actually, if once the username or password, anything is forgotten, that is, if it is lost, so the company, the data will become inaccessible. That means it cannot be accessed. It is actually, but there is a trick for that in a different method. We can access it. We can open this. So it's asking this username password. So it is forgot. So by using the other method, without this username password, directly we open this. What we do is, and in this one thing we do, which is this one. So I am giving the real username password. First of all, we will check up once what are the transactions. There have been many transactions in this already recorded, isn't it? There are some hundreds and thousands of transactions. Just you are checking up. See here. We have to check from the beginning of the year, that is from 1st April, what would be his total period. See, Alt F2 if you take, if you remove both the dates, this one, if you remove both the dates, the total period will be displayed. Or this can be done in another way. Simply F2, click, this is the changing the date. Simply F2, remove the date. Remove the date, escape, see here, if you want to remove the date, see here, if you want to remove the date, here, you can simply, to remove the date, click escape or click space bar. So it is deleted. That number, date is deleted. Now we see all the details from 1st April to the date of the last entry. So that 31st December is the last entry. So there are 3 entries. One is credit, that is one is receipt. Second one is payment, again receipt. There are 3. So just remember that. And also what we have to is, we have to remember the number of the company also. But remember the number of the company also. The number is 1,01,000. That is the company for which we forgot the password. So we have to record the data for this company 10,01,000. Now what we do is, we open a new company with the same name, giving some difference. So Tally Security, this is we are giving. So we open Tally Security 2 or some different name. So I am opening a new account without any password or anything. So create a company that creating Tally Security. Tally Security 2. That is one, I take that tally security two, and everything is known as it is, and then Telangana, and then new number. 90 I am giving, and here, once we, in the tally, configuration F12, if you activate a feature, if you activate a setting, it will be applicable, it will be activated in all the companies. That is why in the F12, we activate the security control, the user access control. So that's why it will show in every company. But if you want, you can make it yes and set the password username. Otherwise, just keep it on. So for this, the second company, that is with the same name or different. This is the company used to recover the data of the other company. Okay. And you see here, company is zero. And here, so whatever options you want, after creation of the company, you can go to the F11 features. So here if you want, you can see the number, everything. Okay. So okay, I am accepting this one. Okay, that number is not given. I am accepting it. Now, see here. So there are two companies. One is the old company, just tally security. The number is 10 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 1. That is the old company for which we have the password. The new company we created is tally security 2, or we can create another name also. For example, security control. You can use no problem. So for this, the number is, what is the number? 1 lakh 6. This is the number. 1 lakh 6 is the number. Okay. Now, what we do is, here, this is, it will open automatically because there is no change. In this also, you will make some entries. You can make at least any entry. So I am making an entry. One entry I am making on second May or something any day. I am making here credit. This is the receipt. So X and Co, for example, X and Co, we will take up. We are receiving is a sundry data. Sundry data, and you details I am making. Okay, and all these things will be here. He may be a regular person, he may be unregistered, whatever maybe. When we sold the goods, we will recover the money. So I am taking just unregistered. Okay. So from this person, we received, for example, any amount, if you just take 25 rupees or 1,000 rupees, whatever the amount, see, and debit is receiving cash. We receive check, we'll enter bank account. Okay. So this is one entry made. Or you can make some more entries, but don't forget, at the end of the year, that is 31st March, 31st March is there year end. On 31st March, you will make another entry. So here I will make a payment. I will make a payment entry. I am making payment to Y and O. Is a sundry creditor. We are making payment means he is a creditor. Making payment to creditor. This I will make no. And all this, he may be a regular person, or he may be unregistered means when don't take trendy creditors. Okay. You take regular, I take unregistered also, no problem. So here I am accepting this. Okay. And here we are making the payment. We are making payment 500 rupees, for example. 500 rupees credit bank. So by and go debit, we are debiting and is credited. That is a admin cost. So now you see the table. So go to the day book. So you have to please just remove that. And then we are getting, see, one is receipt entry in the middle of the year, during the year, and 31st March, at the end of the year, we are making one entry. Two entries are there. Okay. Now, in our database, there are two companies. There are two companies. One is the old company, that is the tally security. The number is 1 lakh 1. Another one is the second company, that is a new company we created for this purpose. So the new company name is Tally Security 2. We can use some other name also. And the number is number 6. So old one is 1. The latest new one is 6. Now what we will do? So what we will do simply, we will replace the old company with the new company. Then old company will open. That's all. So how to do that? Just close down this. Close down, and this. Where is that? That's enough. I know, but just you check out. So where is this tally frame and data? So the tally frame folder, in that data folder, and in the data folder, we have the companies. See here. So open this, see here. Tally frame is in G drive. G drive, tally frame, under that data folder, tally frame folder, another data folder. In the data folder, we have the companies, we have the companies. So we will go to E drive, close this. So we will go to E drive. So take this PC, all the drives will be available. So you have to go to E drive. In the E drive, Tally Prime 4. So this folder, in this folder, data. In this Tally Prime, there is data folder. Go to data folder. All the companies are available. So the old company which we have to access now is number 1. And the new company which is created for this purpose is 6. So just we have to replace this 6, replace this old company with the new company. So what we will do is, so click this, and in this we have, that is, this is the number of the company. That is number of this new company, and every company will have many files. So in that, these are all the files available. The name of the company will be available in this company folder, company 1800. That company 1800, because up to 2.1 show it as company 900, but from 3.0 onwards it is changed to company 1800, because up to 2.1 the number of digits of the company ID will be 5, 10,001, 10,002, like that. 10,000, that is start with 10,000 with 5 digits, but 3.0 onwards it is increased to 6 digits, just starting with 1 lakh. That is why it is showing 1800. Old version, take 2.1, it will show only 900. So here, select this and copy this. Select this and copy this. And then go to the old company. See here, this is the old company. This is the old company. Open that. So all these are available. So this company 1800 is to be replaced by the other one. Just simply paste the other one which is copied. You paste here, it will replace. It will ask you to replace this. So if you paste it, it will ask you replace the file in the destination. The destination is this one. In this one, you want to replace. Yes, enter. So automatically, so this is replaced by this one is replaced by the new company. Okay. So now everything is over. This is over. Now go to the Tally Prime. Now you open that. Now we will see 2 companies with the same name, because the first company, old company, is also replaced by the new company. That the names will be the same, but we have to identify the numbers. See, so this is the old company is 1, new company is 6, but the old company is also replaced by the new company. So both are showing the same name, but the numbers are different. So now we lost password to the old company, that is 1. Now you select that, accept it. So it's over. But there is no username or password, because here if you go and see this company, alter, see, no username or password, because we don't want, we forgot it. Now we are using another method to access this without any password or password. Now you can continue without the username or password access. Or if you want to set again username and password, then you go to the alter page, Alt K, that is company menu, and in that you select alter menu, alter button. Then you will, this is the company alteration will open. If you want to place if you want to set again username or password, so you can set, no problem. Admin will give that 1, 2, this one I will change. So I am giving Tally this time. Tally. Okay. So it is accept. So we said username and password again, and the name. So actually, because of the other company, the name will change. This name is the name of the second company, new company. So if it is a different name, we can change the name also. Here again, go to alter here. So here the name is only Tally Security. So we can remove that too. Or if you create a new company in a different name, that name will be shown here also. So here also that will be altered, and the original name will be placed. So here, suppose it is Tally Security, if the other name is, say, security control. So this will also have security control. Then you replace. So both will show security control. So the name of this company is not security control. So change it to original name, Tally Security. Okay. So accept this. This is over. Okay. So we created password, username for this also. See, name also changed. So name is changed, and also we have set the username and password. Now it lost username. So admin, username is the same, but password is PALLY tally. So and now go to the database or go to the select company page. So the already existing company and the new company which is created for this purpose, we don't want that. The purpose is served. So what we can do is we can delete this. This is not required. So go to Alt K page, go to Alter, and here Alt D. So this is deleted. Are you sure? So this is deleted. Only the old company which we lost password, again that is recovered. That is the only the company is aware about. The new company which is created for this purpose, it is closed. So and here if we give the capitals also, no problem. And here password must be exactly PALLY. So okay, like this we have. So we recovered. So when you last, it will show when you are creating the password, it will show you forgetting the password will render your data inaccessible. It can be accessed, but this is a trick by using another company, creating another company, and using that company, we can access replacing this company with that name. So that name you don't have any username password. That is, this is replaced by that name. So automatically this will open without the username or password, and the new company we can delete, and this we can set up the password username again, or if you don't want, you can continue. And the name also, that is the second company created new company, maybe different name. So then this name will be altered to the, and it will be set to the original name. Okay, this is what we do. Okay, this is the thing, and here. So, and then this is over, and the next one, there is one more thing. Actually, it's not error. And next, in the next video, we will take up some other thing. So when you are entering the debit note or credit note, there is no error. So one in the up to 2.1, it was different from 3.0 onwards. One is not a feature. One additional option in the entry during the entry. During the entry, one additional option is introduced. That option nobody will know. That is not visible. When you are making the entry also, it will not show any error. It will not ask for that option. It will not ask. We must know. So most of the people don't know in the Tally Prime Core, the new option. Most of the people don't know. So unless you use that option, it will not show correct report. So if you don't use that option in the GST reports, this entry will be shown as not in the correct column. It will show as uncertain transactions. So if you go, because we don't know that, okay, leave it. So in the next video, we will take up that. It is also very, very important. Okay, it is very, very important. This video we will take up tomorrow. In the next video, this is the next video. These are all very important points. So all these videos you go through till the end, once, twice, thrice, and you practice. They are very, very important. Okay. So with this, I stop the video, and here don't forget to view these videos till the end many times and make practice very well. Then only you will understand very well. You will know the subject. Okay. So till the end, you watch the video, all this, and after that, if the video is good, please like the video, and everyone visiting this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon and select on. Then you will get notification for all the videos which I upload in the channel. And please share the channel with all your friends as well as any others who want to learn Tally. Right? Okay. Then, as I told you already, I am also running paid, not free, paid online classes from this Tally Crane, GST, TDS, TCS also. So if anybody is interested, please contact me. My contact number is given in the thumbnail. So using that number, you can message me in WhatsApp, or you can call me, and if you are interested, you can join the online classes. Okay. So with this, I close this video, and I wish you all the best, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you and bye.